it's Amber with Physique, and welcome to a rainy day in Arizona. So many of us have excuses, but today there are no excuses. I'm actually going to get out into the rain and do this workout with you guys. We have 5 minutes, very short, very sweet, so you can continue on your day, take a shower in the rain, and no excuses. We can get this done very quickly. There are 3 exercises, and today I have my 10-pound weight. If you have 2 5s, that's great. You can use 2 5s. I'm going to give you a brief breakdown, and then we're going to get right to it. All right. Okay, so for your first exercise, you're going to take your weight, and you're going to do a side step lunge. Okay, so you want to watch the back here and make sure that you're not using your back, but you're going to step out into that lunge and reach down with your weight. I'm going to hold it to the side here. Step, and then side lunge, step, side lunge. Okay, again, watch that back. You don't want to be all hunched over. Really nice straight line throughout the body. And then you're going into a reverse squat. Okay, so you're going to take that weight, and you're going to go down into that squat, go down deep, and when you come up, you're going to lock the knees out, raise the weight up, and stick your rear out. So it looks like this, down, stick it out, down, stick that fat butt out, okay? Then you're going to go into a back lunge with your weight and add a front kick. So you're going to step back into a lunge and front kick. We're going to stay with one side at a time and switch to the other side. Everything is 30 seconds, and then you're going to go right back into those reverse squats. So follow me right here in real time. It is pouring down rain. So what a better way than to get your workout in, stay cool at the same time, get sweaty. All right, let's do it. All right, so we're going to start with those side step lunges, and go for 30 seconds. Take your time with these. You really want good form. Stretch out, reach over. Pick up the pace. Reverse squats coming up. All right, so go down, stick out the bum. Really gonna start feeling it in the butt. All right, back lunge, front kick. Same side. Nice strong front kick. Thirty seconds. All right, switch sides. Hang in there. Going back to those reverse squats. Feel that tushy burning. lunge. Reverse squat. Watch your form. Back lunge and a front kick. You need to step, come here, step, and then front kick, and step again. All right, switch. Only 5 minutes. Hang tight. Nice job. Reverse squat. Nice job. What a great way to get your workout in today. Even in the rain, I am soaked. I am also feeling a little fatigued, but not too bad. You can double up and do it for another 5 minutes for even more of a great workout. This targets the butt, the quads, the hamstrings, that little muscle right up in there. You might not be able to sit on the toilet as easy as you would before after doing this one. So I love these very quick, intense workouts. Get on with your day and know that you just did something great and something to stay active. All right, again, make sure you are subscribed to this channel so that you never miss a beat. We have a brand new series coming in October. You're not going to want to miss this. So hit that subscribe button down below. Also, leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up if you like this workout. And I will be shooting a lot more 5-minute videos for you guys up until October. All right, until next time, keep it sweaty, even in the rain. All right, love you guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.